Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be upgrading this Mark 7 Golf R facelift with a REMUS exhaust system. The REMUS exhaust system we're going to be fitting onto this particular car is the half system. So we're looking forward to hearing what this car sounds like a little bit later on. But for now, this is what it sounds like. And then let's get the car in the workshop and let's get started to fit it, and then let us know what you think at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously, if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.